Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play farm together. To begin your farming adventure, you'll first need to plant some basic crops and trees. As you harvest these, you'll earn valuable money and experience points. These points are crucial for unlocking a wide array of new items, buildings, and decorations. Don't forget to expand your farm by purchasing additional land plots, giving you more space to grow and create your dream agricultural paradise. Completing quests will also provide excellent rewards. The core of Farm Together revolves around a simple yet engaging cycle. You'll plant a diverse range of crops, from wheat to strawberries, along with various trees and vibrant flowers. Once mature, harvest your bounty to sell at the market, generating essential income. Caring for animals like chickens and cows will yield valuable products such as eggs and milk. To boost efficiency, utilize helpful tools like tractors for quick harvesting and sprinklers to water your plants automatically, saving you precious time. Farm Together offers extensive customization options to truly make your farm your own. You can decorate your land with hundreds of unique items, from fences and pathways to statues and fountains. Build charming houses and personalize their interiors with furniture and decor. As you continue to play and gain experience, your farm will level up, unlocking exciting new buildings, features, and decorative elements. You can also visit your friends' farms, offering a helping hand with their tasks and enjoying a cooperative farming experience. To maximize your farm's potential, consider focusing on high-value crops that yield greater income per harvest. As your farm grows, invest in automating tasks with helpful scarecrows, automatic feeders, and advanced tools to streamline your operations. Keep an eye out for seasonal events, which often offer exclusive items and unique challenges. Setting long-term goals, such as completing all the collections or achieving a specific farm level, will keep your gameplay engaging and rewarding for many hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.